If you ever walk down a street lined with trees, you already know the difference they make. But what you might not know is just how powerful street trees really are, why many cities are losing them fast. Street trees aren't just decoration, they're one of the most valuable parts of urban ecosystems. They clean the air we breathe, cool our neighborhood, reduce flooding, and cut noise, and even save energy by shading buildings. And yes, studies after studies shows they boost mental health, reduce crime, and increase property values. Basically, trees are doing free work for the entire cities. But here's the twist. Despite all these benefits, street trees are often treated like a problem. In many places, they have been heavily trimmed, neglected, or removed completely. Why? Because when they're planted in tiny pits with no space, their roots push against the sidewalks and pipes. When they shed leaves or branches, some people see it as a hassle. They can block sign or wires. And maintaining them, pruning, watering, treating diseases causes money. So some cities choose the easy fix, remove the trees or replace them with smaller, weaker species. In extreme cases, they swap real trees for artificial ones, which provide none of the real benefits. But it doesn't have to be this way. You can maximize the benefits of street trees by doing two simple things. 1. Plant the right trees in the right place. Choose species suited to the local climate, soils, and infrastructure. Put them where they will make the biggest impact. Busy streets, hot areas, and places with heavy air pollutions. Give them rooms and resources. Bigger planting pits, healthy soils, regular care, protection from car, vandalism, and storms. When we do this, the results are undeniable. Cooler cities, cleaner air, healthier people, better neighborhoods. So the next time you walk down a tree-lined street, remember those trees are doing far more than just looking pretty. They are shaping the future of urban life. And the more we protect them, the better our cities become.